All right. Welcome to Team Schrodinger's Clue Wall. So first of all, we started with our original mission, improving our effects on others around us by deepening the understanding of human interactions. And our Clue Wall documents our mission to redefine this. So we started off, as you all did, with at CERN, and we took inspiration from the people we talked to, our mentors, as well as the technology, um, before moving on into need finding, where we really started to think about the needs of some of the stakeholders, which extreme stakeholders, lead users, and starting to get a bit of an idea of how this could fit into the social context outside of the world of CERN, which brought us to benchmarking. And as you can see from the myriad of post-it notes, is that we came up with a lot of different areas and means to sort of incorporate or to address social interaction. And which sort of also reflected the wide range of stakeholders that we identified as well. So the challenge for us is to get from all of that insights as to which area to tackle. So we narrowed it down, in the benchmarking phase to sport, driving, and medical. Three very different areas, but we found that there was a need both for self-insight as well as insight as into other people. Um, so, and we're looking at the role that it plays in both making us productive and happy, and when we learn to do these skills and how we can address the issues that arise from that. So we sort of tie that into, this is sort of what I was referring to, I guess, impact wise. Look at how can we have the greatest impact with our products that we're working on. So impact in terms of happiness, health, productivity, safety, it all ties together through increased empathy, and social interactions is at the heart of these. So we also talked a lot about the emerging global trends which came through our search, if you like. So obviously there's a big movement towards data-based computing, mobile computing, augmented reality. Everything's becoming integrated, but what impact is that having on our social interaction? How can we use it for positive change and to address some of the issues that it creates? So that's going to be our next challenge, and so a lot of this tied into we found common themes regarding the user experience, such things such as it has to be not obvious or sort of noticeable. It has to sort of fit in with what you're doing, what you're wearing. So basically, can't make a nuisance and should be discreet. So which something that came through also in the prototyping. We looked a lot at as to how it would feel and how the process of actually using such a device in our three different contexts, medical, sport, and driving, once again, how that would actually work. So that yielded some really interesting insights as to how people actually interact and the challenge of making something useful but not distracting to life as you already lead it. So it also brought out a lot of the passions that we've sort of been working on across all these fields, and got us thinking about our convergence topic, which resulted in all of these little nuggets and nuggets of glory. Um, and we were surprised, I guess, to see after all this broad area and all this information and data that we came up with, all this insight, we were able to converge upon a topic where a constant theme came through, which was our redefined mission to train social skills at an early stage to achieve inclusion and autonomy.